Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change language in Google Chrome in a very simple way. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first, you just need to come over at the right side, call this three dot and then go for settings over here. After that, you just need to go for this language section at your left side. And now here you can see here is your website in your language called English. If you want to change language, then if you can click on add language, and you can select any of your preferable language, whatever you want. After, if I click on this English United Kingdom and click add, you can see English United Kingdom is selected. And now if you just click on here the right mouse button and click on display the English and click on relaunch, it will now show you in English United Kingdom style into your Google Chrome. So this is how you can change your language in Google Chrome. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.